Number 1.
Too much riding will make us exhausted and sweat, so designs us. Firstly, a good bike, then a pedal-assisted e-bike with added cruise system. Multi-function LCD display, 12-point sensor and FOC controller together combine the PAS system. You can either ride at pedals mode, or at cruise control mode without pedaling, or pure bike mode if you need some exercises. The sensor could detect every intention precisely. Once you are riding this bike, you will fall in love with it.
Number 2.
Electric bikes are perfect for non-cyclists looking to start cycling, commuters, or those who want to keep fit and healthy. Here are many reasons you could use one. This bike has a lithium battery, brushless motor, aluminum alloy frame, LCD display, disc brakes, 26 inches mountain tires with 30 to 50 kilometers per hour of speed.
Number 3.
Hemo electric bicycle, 60 to 120 kilometers extendable mileage, HD LCD instrument, whole car LED light set, simple and intuitive instrument icon design, full sense of science and technology, high-sensitive digital display, strong and weak light is still clear. Convenient one-button start, feel the extraordinary convenience of control, multifunctional combination switch, touch button, a variety of instructions to operate freely. Feel the tacit and agile driving experience.
Number 4.
European warehouse stock foldable electric bicycle is a unique styled electric bike with a great features like variable speed, optional 6-speed shift, 16-inch inflatable rubber wheel, which is anti-slip texture, wear resistant and durable to use different ground, 18,650 power lithium-ion battery. All the great feature make the bike the ultimate adult smart mini folding bike.
Number 5.
Stone Pro electric folding bicycle is a revolutionary idea to make as minimal, easy to use and affordable without compromising the excellence. Without chain shaft drive, lightweight lithium battery, aluminum frame, one-piece aluminum alloy wheel and patented intelligent power assistance algorithm integrated in sensors for extra safety.
Number 6.
Mini and handy, just folded into bag, battery easy to be changed to assure long travel. Panasonic Li-ion battery which assure FFU durability and safe, standard interchangeable with all other air wheel models. High-efficient USB port can be used for charging iPhone and iPad. Control speed limit by app, with intelligence, real-time positioning, riding data checking, personal settings and alarm system. Electronic braking system, multi-function handlebar with EBS, headlight, phone holder, and one-key speed-up key to assure perfect riding experience with safety and lightweight aluminum alloy for easy catch.
Number 7.
A folding electric bike is a great choice for commuters, travelers or anyone who wants an easy-to-store, easy-to-move transportation option. This folding electric bike has lithium battery power supply, brushless motor, 12-inch tire size and aluminum alloy frame. It takes 4 hours for full charging. The 250W motor power, 36V 6.6 Ah battery, 20 kilograms max loading, 12 degree of max climbing, double disc brakes and max speed, 25 kilometers per hour.
Number 8.
F501 City e-bicycle, the 3-step quick folding electric bicycle equipped with dual suspension, dual disc brakes, high-speed motor, Kenda tires, highlight headlight, LG lithium-ion battery.
Number 9.
Eco Rider Fast Folding 3 Wheels Electric Bike is a new and green way of going out for commuters and sport lovers. It is the best companion of home travel, entertainment and leisure activities. Portable design with the appearance of science and technology sense. Full aluminum alloy body, lightweight but strong construction, easy to carry, comfortable riding and easy operating. Long range, 7.8 Ah battery, 60 kilometers range.
Number 10.
The OEM brand e-bike comes with variety of features like aluminum alloy frame, brushless motor, 20 to 50 kilometers per hour speed, 48V 12.8 Ah lithium battery, 48V 350W motor power, 26 inches wheel size, foldable body, front and rear disc brakes, LCD display and full suspension.